Hi guys, my name is Temitope Oladokun and welcome to my channel. Anyone in the field of technology knows how important it is to collaborate. One of our major tools is Github, but in this video I won't be talking about Github or any of those things. I'll be talking about how to collaborate on Supervisely platform. If this is your first time here, feel free to subscribe, like, and watch the video to the end. Not wasting much of our time, let's move to the workspace to discuss what we'll be talking about today. I have a video that covers how to sign up, how to view your data that has been labeled, and also how to label your data. I'll put the link in the description. Once you sign in, you'll be taken to this page. For this particular page, Temitope is the admin. I have two members, so Temitope and I have Tech. Tech was added 3 days ago, and Tech is mentioned or is called annotator. Tech can also be admin, and Tech can also be developer. You can switch the role. Tech can be the manager. Tech can also be a reviewer. But for this task, Tech is the annotator. So let's go back to the page on how to add members. For Tech, the username is Tech. Just type Tech. And the role, you can choose it here, maybe annotator, then you add to the team. But I already have Tech, I'll just cancel. Tech has been added, so that's how you add your team. You invite them, and once you invite them, they'll also get a notification in their email. Right now I have two members, so I will show us how we can collaborate and how everything can be done. We import our data. I drop it here. I'm uploading 2 images for the sake of our video. I don't want it to be too lengthy. The whole idea is to get the knowledge. Let's call it Tech. Okay, start imports. So he's putting the images. Here you go. You have Tech, and Tech has 2 images. Tech has 2 images. So you start assigning jobs. You have to create the classes that you want to see. I'm going to create the class here. Let's say body. The hotkey can be B. Let me choose a bright color. I think I want red. Great. Come here, sir. You pick plug. Okay. This color is fine, blue. Then the next one is USB. Let's call the hotkey U. I think we've chosen the primary color. Go back and click labeling as scale to assign the job to Tech. Then you add new job. Temitope is the reviewer because she's the admin, so you can also assign job to the admin, but I'm assigning to Tech. The project is in Tech. The name of the project is Tech, and the data set is DS. These are the 3 classes I want Tech to label for me, so it has to be selected. Then for this I have to choose all. There are 2 images. Click create. The job has been created for me. Now let's head over to Tech Workspace. There's a notification. It's showing pending. Tech has started working on data allocated. Let's start labeling. Plug the USB. You click confirm. You're submitting your task to Temitope to review. So the job has been done.